I just went back in the kitchen and Chef Brian had all these eggs. I said, can we just squish these together, make an egg salad sandwich? Will that work?
That's a different day, different recipe.
Thank you, Mary. Thank you. So I'm actually surprised I didn't find one missing, Ron. I thought you were going to take one for sure.
I spared you.
Oh, I appreciate it. All right, guys. So this is the latest trend that's out there. If you've been to the coffee shop and gotten your coffee in the morning, generally they're going to have these little miniature egg bites, which are just scrambled eggs in a little mini muffin tin. And so they're so fun and easy to put together. And so I'm going to show you how to actually put together a ham and cheese one. Those are some of my favorites. I happen to have ham. You can use any type of filling that you want to, though. It doesn't have to be ham. You could do mushroom and onion. You can just do them plain. You can just do them whatever you want. It's going to start with a little mini muffin tin here that I've sprayed very liberally with some vegetable spray in there to make sure there's no sticking. Now all I'm going to do is just take the little chopped up, finely chopped onion. I have some finely chopped up ham in here, some shredded cheese, and I'm just going to divide these between the little mini muffin tins. And so you can see this is pretty darn easy at this point, but what a fun way. You could actually do these in a regular size muffin tin if you wanted to. Just take a little bit longer time to cook in the oven. Okay, let's put some shredded cheese in there as well so that they're yummy, and just kind of press that down so that it hooks or fits everything in that small little tin compartment. So let's just do one more and then we'll have that done, and let's work on the eggs here. So when I create these, what I like to do is just take like a 2-cup measurer and I crack 6 eggs into there. I add in some cream, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then you're going to just take it and you're going to pour ever so little amount. Doesn't take a lot in these little mini muffin tins until it's just about to the top of the muffin tin here, the little hole there. Okay, let's put that in. Okay, I'll finish and get these all done. Then they're going to go in the oven. We come back, we'll finish them up. It's a great way for brunch or a fun way to eat lunch or use up some good old Oakdale eggs, guys.
Yeah, grab and go for breakfast right there.
All right.
Yep, these are really fun, you guys. They're the latest trend. If you've been out to a coffee shop or anything like that, you can normally get these, but they're so easy to make. So I have these in the oven. This is the one we were working on earlier. They are actually almost cooked. They don't take long to cook in those little mini muffin tins. Maybe 10 minutes to 15 minutes, depending on the oven. Everybody's oven is different. So when they're done, you're going to bring them out and let them rest for about 5 minutes before you take them out of there. What happens when they cool, they're going to shrink just a little bit, and then you can get them out of the muffin tin a little easier if they are sticking. I just take a fork, kind of stick it around the edges, and lift them right out, and voila, we have these great little egg bites. So these are ham and cheese ones here I have on the plate ready to go here. I have some of my homemade salsa that I had earlier, that I've made earlier in the week. I just thought it'd be fun to use the homemade salsa because it's delicious. I like the salsa little taste on them. Just let that spread over there. And I am purposefully using a fork to dish up the salsa here because it's acting as a strainer. I don't want all that liquid from the salsa on there, so just kind of drip that over the top of it. And then I always love to tie the dishes together, and so I do have some ham pieces still that I want to just kind of sprinkle on there so that people can, when they see it, they're gonna like just subconsciously even know, oh, there's some ham on there. Maybe a little bit of red, just diced up onion on there, guys. And maybe just a couple of sprinkles of some shredded cheese, and we'll finish up those egg bites. That's just the way they go. So easy and delicious. I love these little egg bites. They're fun to put together. What a great brunch idea. You could do your own variation. If you don't like ham and cheese, create your own variation with them. They're just fun to put together. The recipe is featured right now on cookingwithchefbrian.com. You can head on over there and grab that recipe. And to the viewers that are asking, yes, I actually am using Oakdale eggs today. They're a great one, organic, no hormones, no antibiotics. Great choice for these little egg bites, guys.
And those are good for meal prep. You make them on Sunday and you can just grab them out of the fridge in the morning.
Absolutely, or out of the freezer.
Yeah.
They'll freeze.
It's a great idea.
Yeah.
Okay, here.